Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English Listening Podcast. In part 3, we learned life has difficult times, rejection is not the end, discipline builds success, consistency is powerful, and focus helps achieve goals. Now, in part 4, we will talk about something very important: dreams, confidence, and overcoming fear. Because every big success begins with a dream. So let's begin. Every successful person once had a dream. Dreams give direction to life. Without dreams, life feels empty. Dreams give meaning to your efforts. Your dream can be anything: becoming a teacher, becoming a cabin crew member, starting a business, learning fluent English, or helping your family. A dream is not just a wish. A dream is something you are ready to work for. Many people say, I have no dream, but everyone has dreams. Sometimes dreams are hidden. Take time to think. Ask yourself, what do I really want in life? Write your dream on a paper. Keep it where you can see it daily. This reminds you why you are working. Confidence is believing in your ability. Confident people are not perfect, they simply trust themselves. Confidence grows with patience. Every time you try something new, confidence increases. Let's take an example. Imagine you want to learn English. At first, you feel shy. You fear making mistakes, but when you practice daily, slowly confidence grows. You speak better. You feel stronger. Confidence is like a muscle. The more you use it, the stronger it becomes. Fear is natural. Everyone feels fear. Even successful people feel fear, but they do not let fear stop them. Common fears include fear of failure, fear of rejection, fear of public speaking, fear of making mistakes. Fear often lives in the mind. Most fears are bigger in imagination than in reality. Let's understand this. If you fear speaking English, ask yourself, what is the worst that can happen? Maybe someone laughs, someone corrects you, but that is not dangerous. That is learning. So face your fear slowly. Take small steps. Speak one sentence, then two sentences, then three. Fear reduces with action. I'll tell you one story. There was a boy named Aman. Aman was very shy. He was afraid to speak in class. Whenever the teacher asked a question, he stayed silent. One day, the teacher encouraged him. She said, Aman, try speaking one sentence. He spoke slowly. His voice shook, but he spoke. Next day, he spoke again and again. Days passed, weeks passed. One day, Aman gave a full speech. Students clapped. Aman smiled. What changed his life? Courage to try. Confidence shows in your voice, it shows in your body language, it shows in your attitude. Here are simple tips to speak confidently. Tip number one: speak slowly. Do not rush your words. Tip number two: maintain eye contact. Look at people while speaking. Tip number three: stand straight. Good posture shows confidence. Tip 4: practice daily. Practice speaking in front of a mirror. Tip number 5: believe in yourself. Confidence starts in the mind. These small actions create strong communication skills. Next, visualizing means imagining success. Close your eyes, imagine your dream, see yourself achieving it. Feel the happiness, feel the pride. Athletes use visualization, speakers use visualization. Successful people imagine success before achieving it. For example, if your dream is to pass an interview, imagine walking into the room confidently, answering questions clearly, smiling confidently, getting selected. Your mind starts believing it is possible, and belief creates action. Now, everyone has weaknesses. Nobody is perfect, but successful people work on their weaknesses. They turn weaknesses into strengths. For example, if you are weak in English, practice daily, listen to podcasts, learn new words, speak regularly. Slowly, weakness becomes strength. Never hide your weaknesses. Work on them, improve them, and grow stronger. With that, I would like to share another story. Here is a simple story. A pencil broke into two pieces. The owner thought it was useless, but the pencil still wrote. Even though it was broken, it still had value. Just like that, even if life breaks you, you still have value. You can still create success. So sometimes progress feels slow. You feel tired. You feel frustrated. You feel like quitting, but remember, slow progress is still progress. Even small improvement matters. Even one step matters. Never stop moving forward. Success is not about speed, it is about persistence. So, today in part 4, we learned dreams give direction, confidence grows with practice, fear can be reduced, visualization creates belief, weaknesses can be strengths. Keep moving forward. In part 5, we will talk about the power of gratitude, staying motivated for life, final powerful life lessons, and a strong motivational conclusion. So, see you in part 5, the final part. Thank you so much for watching till the end. Do not forget to check the description section where you will find all the vocabulary words, their Hindi and English meanings, and example sentences for easy learning. For more English vocabulary and speaking videos, keep practicing, keep improving, and go fly high.